Before we mount the lock onto the bike, grab a metal strap and bend it as shown in order to make it a little bit easier to guide it through the slots and around the seat stay. Repeat the step with another metal strap. Now we're ready to mount the lock. Go ahead and align the lock. Next, we'll wrap each metal strap around the seat stay. Insert the strap into the slot, then pull it to secure the lock onto your bike. Let's move on to the other side of the bike. Grab another metal strap, guide it through the slot and around the seat stay. Insert the strap into the slot, then pull it to make sure it's secure on the bike. Repeat this step with the last metal strap. Once that is completed, one way to tighten the straps is to use a pair of pliers to provide a better grip when pulling on the straps to reduce any wiggle room while riding. Lastly, use cutting pliers to snip off the remainder of each strap.